homeschooling. Mantu.
We can all share, okay?
Do you want to say hi to Ichiro family? Hello guys.
Hey you guys, welcome to Belajar Bahasa Homeschooling
With
Kyrie
and
Daddy.
okay guys, today we will learn about chapter 8, unit 8, Under the Sea and letter R. Okay, first page. What is in the sea?
Sock.
Trace the words and read the sentence. A
Sock.
is in the sea. A.
Is in the sea.
What is this?
Starfish.
Starfish is in the sea. A what?
Is in the sea.
What is this?
Clam.
Yeah, a clam is in the sea.
Sea. Well,
A whale
is
in the sea.
in the
Okay.
sea.
Right. Shark, starfish, clam, whale. Haha.
What's the name?
Shark. S-H-A. That's an O, right? A. Yeah. Give one more. Yeah. R. K. Okay. Starfish. S.
Chicken.
Okay, do you like to be number one?
Yeah.
Because number one is the
Yeah.
best. Number one is the champ.
Yeah.
Number one is the we. Kyrie is a we. Come on, starfish.
Starfish.
S. T. A. Okay, they're too close to each other. You need to erase. Okay. One more time.
Octopus.
I hold it. Yeah. Go. Starfish. A. Good handle of the pencil, right? Good job. A. R. F. I. S. H.
You look up down.
A clam.
Clam. C-M.
C-L-A-M. C. L. A. M. Good job. Whale. W.
Monkey.
Whale. W.
Yeah, W.
W. H. Wait, H is not done. A.
F.
L. E. Okay. After writing, let's try to S H. Shark. Starfish. S-T-A. Starfish. C-L. Clam. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Okay, now if I close like this, what is this?
Sock.
This one?
Clam.
This one?
Whale.
This one. S T starfish.
Starfish.
It has 8 arms.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It lives on the ocean floor. This is an octopus. Okay, so you need to draw the octopus, guys. Draw the octopus, everything you trace. Okay.
Oh, 8 arms.
Yeah. Can you trace the octopus?
Yeah.
Okay. Draw an octopus. Draw an octopus. Okay, draw an octopus.
It's the caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Caterpillar.
Draw an octopus, guys. Okay, trace the octopus. Can you draw an octopus?
Kopi
Okay,
dada.
start from the head. From the head. Okay, start from the tentacle. This is called tentacle, guys. The hand is called tentacle. Yeah. One tentacle. Okay, 2 tentacles. Nih. Yeah. Oh, you want the head first? Okay, go to the head. Go to the head. Make a big head of octopus. Go to the eye. Go to the eye. Make an eye. Make another eye. Make another eye. Make smaller eye. Go with the tentacles. Tentacles. Tentacle. Octopus has 8 tentacle. 1 arm. Nih, the arm. Okay. Arm number 2.
Tentacle.
Arm number 2. Arm number 3. Okay, you want this arm? Okay, why don't you put the book in the middle?
Huh?
Put the book, you go, yeah. Yes. Yeah, that one. Yes. This one. Okay. Okay, that one first. That way. This one, this two. This one. This last one. Okay, for the color, it's gonna be pink octopus. What do you want?
Blue.
Blue,
Blue ocean.
dark or light?
Duck.
There you go. Go draw a blue octopus. Hey, don't go out. Just draw the tentacles on. Three more. Okay, what if you go in? Okay, this two. The tentacles. Okay. Okay, we need to match the correct words to the picture. This one, okay?
This stick one.
No, this is not sticker. This is draw a line. Match the correct words to the picture. What is this?
Him.
Which one is shrimp? So smart. Good job. If this is shrimp, what is this? O.
O.
What animal starts with O?
O.
O.
Octopus.
Yeah. Oc. C. Oc. Octo. O, right? O, right? Octopus. Octo. Okay, what animal is this?
Crab.
Which one is crab? Okay, throw it. What is this then? What animal, sea creatures start with F? Sea animal starts with F? What animal starts with F?
Fish.
Yeah. Okay, what is this?
Starfish.
Which one is starfish? What is this?
Starfish.
Starfish. S-T-A. Star.
Starfish.
Starfish. Star. Right? S-T-A. Star. Starfish. You can
What? Huh? What?
you can read fish, right? This is fish, starfish, right? If you want to find the fish, just starfish, just find the fish, right? I stop doing that. Stop. Go back. What is this then? S-E-A. Sea.
Sea.
H-O-R-S-E. Horse.
Horse.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
S-E-A. C. Horse. Seahorse.
17.
47.
17.
Okay, we need to color the box with the matching word. Okay, I will give you gold color. You color the box with the matching word, okay? What animal is that? The top?
Dolphin.
Which one? Which box is dolphin? Okay, give
This one?
yeah. Give the color to the box. Color the box. Yeah. Then what is this? What is this?
T-U-R-T-L-E.
Yeah, what word is that? What animal starts with T, guys? Sea animal starts with T.
Fish.
Fish starts with F. What animal starts with T? The answer is in this page. You can see the animal in this page. Okay, there are 6. You can see the animal here. Which one starts with T? Don't do it. Yeah, which animal starts with T?
Shark.
No, shark is S. You can see the answer here. Which one is T? You can see the answer here. Just see which one. Which one starts with T?
T-U-R-T-L-E.
Okay. See the animal here. This is the answer. Which one? Turtle. Okay. Now, what animal is this?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Which one is jellyfish? Yeah. What animal is this?
Starfish.
No, starfish has fish, right? This one doesn't have fish. What is this?
Shark.
S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Okay, stay on your chair, okay? If you start going up, going down, you will hit your tooth. Do you want? Stay in your chair, please. Okay. What animal is this?
Turtle.
Which one is turtle?
Turtle. T.
Yeah.
T.
U
U.
R
R. T.
T
L.
R.
L.
Kai, I tell you, stop moving. If you move, you will hit your tooth. What animal is this?
Monkey.
No. Read this. S.
S.
What animal is this?
Um.
Okay, you can see the answer here. What animal is this?
Fish.
What animal is this?
Chicken.
Is this and this the same? This one? Is it the same or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? You already make the line. Kai, look. What animal is this?
Swim.
Okay. What is this?
Um.
Kai, you just look. Nih.
Swim.
This and this is the same, right?
Swim.
Look at my fingers. There are two fingers. This and this. Yes, same or no?
Yes.
Same. You already make a line here.
Swim.
Yeah, you already make. So this is this one, shrimp, right? Okay. Okay, one more time. We read from the top. What is this?
S. H.
SH is a
It's a
shrimp.
swim.
This one?
B.
Huh? Go, baby. Open.
Ready? No, open. Like this.
Yeah, okay. Okay, go, baby.
Say like you.
Si Kyrie lagi pipis bentar. He'll be back in a moment. Don't worry, friends. If you guys wanna pee, go pee. If you guys wanna drink, go drink. And don't forget to flush if you guys go to the bathroom. And wash your hand. Come back. Yeah, sit down.
What?
Okay. What is this?
S. S. H. R. I. M. P.
Yeah.
Sim.
Yeah, this one.
O. C. T. O. O. C. T. O. B. U. S.
It's an a
It's a fish.
O.
O.
What animal? O.
O. C. T. O. B. U. S. Octopus.
This one.
F. I. S. H.
F.
Fish.
Yeah.
C. R. A. B.
What animal?
Crab.
Don't cheat. This one.
C. E. A. H. O. I.
S.
S. E. Duck.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
C.
Seahorse.
Yeah. This one.
C. T. A. R. F. A.
I.
I. C.
S.
S. H.
What is
T.
that?
R.
Hmm? No. You need to read. Star.
Starfish. Starfish.
Okay.
Starfish.
This one.
Dolphin.
This one.
T. U R T L E.
What animal starts with T? Turtle. This one?
Jellyfish. SHARK.
No.
Takia.
This one?
SAHRIMP.
What's that?
Shrimp.
This one?
TURTLE. The sea turtle.
Okay. We're gonna go back. Okay. Now we move on first. We're gonna write big R, small r. First you go down. You make a semicircle to the right. Make a diagonal. Go down. Make a semicircle to the right. Go down. Small r, just 2 steps. Go down. Do you want to do it yourself? Or give you the dot. Okay. Whoa! You did it without the dot. Good job. Little bit wider, guy.
Ready, give dot. Give dot. Give dot. Give dot. Give dot. Ready, give dot.
This one, you make the line of the sand.
This one dot.
Already.
So,
Already? You just do like that.
this one.
You draw the straight line. You already do it, right? Go down. Make a straight line. What for? Just go straight. No need, Kai. Already done. Do you wanna erase it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Udah.
One. Two. Three.
This one? Okay, number 1, start from here, kan? Go down, 1. Go down. Yeah. Number 2 is this one. Yeah. Number 3. Number 1. Go down. Number 2. Semicircle. Diagonal. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, this needs to touch, make complete like this, guy. You need to complete until here. Okay, until touch here. This one.
1,
2.
2.
Number 2. Good job, Kai. You have written big R, small r. Now, whoosh. Fill the letter R to complete the words and color the picture. There's gonna be 3 words that we learn today. Can you guess what is the word?
Yeah.
What is the word?
The pig, the goat, the bunny. What?
Repeat.
The pig, the goat, the bunny is walking in a tank pack.
What is this?
The flower.
This is a rose.
The rose.
It's a flower, yeah? It's a kind of flower. It's called a rose. Then this one is a rabbit. And this is a railway.
Railway. And then the thing will crash. Doom, doom, doom. Choo.
So the sentence is the rabbit holding a rose crosses. So he crossed from this side to this. It's called crosses. Yeah, the rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Okay, the rabbit.
The thing is gonna cross.
Yeah, if he doesn't go cross the railway, he'll get hit. The rabbit holding a rose,
and then the thing come and then the
yeah.
hit
The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Crosses the railway. Crosses the railway. The rabbit.
The thing cross the people.
Yeah. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. The rabbit holding a rose crosses a railway. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Now by yourself. Stop touching that.
The bunny.
The rabbit
Holding a rose to the railway.
Crosses the railway.
The
Rabbit
holding a rose
crosses the railway. Repeat.
The rabbit holds the roses to the tank pack.
Railway. Repeat. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Repeat. The
rabbit holding a rose
yeah
to the
crosses the railway. Repeat. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Repeat. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. Railway. The
rabbit holds the roses cross the railway.
Repeat.
The bunny.
The rabbit
holding a rose to the railway.
crosses the railway. Repeat. The what animal is this?
The rabbit holding a roses to the tank pack.
Crosses the railway. The rabbit holding a rose crosses the railway. The rabbit
The rabbit
holding a rose
holding a rose
crosses the railway.
crosses the runway.
The
Rabbit holding a rose to the
crosses
crosses
the railway.
the railway.
Kyrie, concentrate. The
The rabbit holding a rose to the
what is this?
crosses the lane.
Yeah. Yo.
The rabbit holding a rose to crosses the laneway.
Okay. Draw the rabbit, the rose, and the railway. A color. Oh, you need to make R first. R.
Give that.
Small R. Dah.
Done, Daddy.
Okay. Color the rabbit, rose, and the railway.
This one.
Okay.
The thing.
No, the rabbit, rose, and the railway.
No. Choo-choo, the guntung. Choo-choo.
No. Rabbit.
Done.
Okay. Okay, let's recap what we have learned today. Today we are learning about sea creatures under the sea and letter R. Okay, we are going to learn about how to read the animals. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Clappy.
No, what is this? S. STA what? What is STA, guy?
Clap.
Starfish. Can you read? There is a fish word here.
Stoppy.
Kai, you can read fish, right?
Starfish.
What is this?
CJ
L.
Jellyfish.
Kai, what is this? Starfish.
Starfish.
A shark is in the sea.
In the sea.
A starfish
A starfish
is in the sea.
is in the sea.
A clam
A clam
is in the sea.
is in the sea.
A whale
A whale
is in the sea.
is in the sea.
An octopus
Octopus
has 8 arms.
has 8 arms.
It lives on the ocean floor.
It sits on the open floor.
Okay, now we're going to learn about this. Okay, read. Okay. Hey, read. What is this?
SHRIMP. Sim.
Yeah, this one. What animal starts with S? With O. O. What animal?
O C D O P U S. Octopus.
Yeah. This one?
F D
F I
F I C
S
S H fish.
This one?
C R A B.
C
Crab.
Yeah. This one?
C
S
D S T A R F A I S H.
It's a
Starfish.
good job. What is this?
S E A H O R
S.
F E.
What animal?
Duck.
C
C
O.
seahorse.
Yeah. C S E A C.
Horse.
Ho. H O. Ho. Seahorse. Whoa, not so fast. No. What is this? Give me. You need to read.
Dolphin.
Yeah, this one. T.
T.
What animal? C animal starts with T. This one.
Jellyfish.
This one.
C H M. Dolphin.
No. It has a what? A.
A.
Means a what? Sh.
The
What animal?
flame.
No. There's a K on the back. What animal is that?
Fish.
Not fish is an F. What? This is an S, guy.
S.
Name C animal starts with S. Just name what you remember. What you remember? What animal starts with S? C animal. C animal that can swim. Starts with S.
Fish.
Shark.
Shark.
What animal is this?
S H R I M P. Sim.
Yeah, this one.
T U R T L E. Turtle. T C
S.
S
I don't hit the thing.
A R K. Sock.
Good job. Then we also learn about big R and small r. And then we learn about the
rabbit hold allows to the
crosses.
horses.
The
Railway.
repeat. The
rabbit holding allows to the
crosses.
crosses.
Crosses the railway.
crosses the railway.
Okay, do you know what cross means? Cross means this point to this point. He crossed the railway. He go from this to here.
And then the train come to you.
Yeah. Kai, there's this street, okay? He wants to go from this point to this point. It's called crosses. He crossed the railway. There's a railway. He crossed the railway, okay? Repeat. The
rabbit holding a loaf crosses the railway.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.
Thanks for watching.